Chapter 2 Angles Part 5. Practice set 3. Use the proper geometrical instrument to construct the following angles. Use the compass and the ruler to bisect them. 50-degree angle. Draw a ray keeping the center of the protractor on the origin. Draw one point on 50 degree. Numbers that shown in blue color. Now join ray to that point. 150 degree. Draw one ray keeping the center of the protractor on the origin. Mark point at 11 and 100 point. Then join the ray to the point. 80-degree angle. Draw a ray keeping the center of the protractor. Mark the point on 80 degree shown in the blue color. Then join the ray to the point. 90-degree angle. Draw a ray keeping the center of the protractor at the origin. Mark the point at 90 degree. Now join the ray from the origin to the point. Bisector of 50 degree. Draw an angle of 50 degree as shown previously. Now fix a pencil on compass, keeping the pointer on vertex. Draw one arc on first arm of the angle. Draw another arc on other arm of the angle by keeping the same distance on compass. Now keep the point on first arc of first arm and draw one arc inside the angle, keeping the same distance on the compass. Now draw another arc crossing the previous one by keeping the point on other arm, other arc. Now joining line from vertex to the crossed arc, we will get two equal angles of 25 degree, 25 degree. Bisector of 115 degree angle. Draw 115 degree angle as shown before. Now take compass, fix pencil in it. Keep the pointer part of the compass on the vertex of the angle. Draw one arc on the first arm of the angle and keeping the same distance on the compass, draw another arc on other arm of the angle. Now keeping the same distance on the compass, keep the pointer part on first arc of first arm and draw one arc inside the angle. Now keep the pointer part on second arc of second arm and cross the previous arc inside the angle. Now join line passing from vertex to the cross point of two arcs inside the angle. This will give you two equal angles of 57.5 angle each. 40 degree. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel.